How to add drop shadow in Pixelmator Pro. So here I am in my document, I got text. Here it is, my first layer. Let's add a drop shadow to it. Select the second tool on the list here called Styles. With this tool selected, we can see there are two options for shadows. We can turn on inner shadow. In that case, the shadow will appear like inside the text. Take a look, like this is big hole. We can control the blur, distance, and the color of the shadow. There's also a little toggle for angle, but that's not what we want. So let's switch this off. We can click here, or we can delete it completely, and then turn on a regular shadow. Here it is. Now distance, a bit of blur, the color of the shadow can be changed as well. You can do like dark blue, and here's the angle. That's the important part, this little circle toggle. All right, so that's our shadow, and the last thing to control is the opacity, so how transparent it is. So that's how easy it is to apply shadow to your text in Pixelmator Pro. We can do the very same thing for this vector picture. So that's a vector. I can change the fill color very quickly because of that, but I can also add effects. So by default you got fill and stroke, but you can click add style and you got option for shadows as well. So drop shadow, again distance, a bit of blur, adjusting the angle, but this will look very flat. Sometimes that's the goal, to make the flat like icon or symbol. What if you want the shadow under the chicken? In that case, instead of adding a style, so let's switch this off, simply duplicate this. So I'm going to right click, duplicate the whole layer, and the copy that is under, let's make it smaller and black. Alright, now with the move tool we need to switch off constant proportion, so we can now stretch it to be long and flat, just like that. More like a shadow now, but still a bit too sharp. So what we're going to do next is to add a blur effect on this black copy of the chicken. Click Format, Effects, and select Blur. Gaussian blur will do. And now with this effect apply, we can control the blur and make this shadow blur a little bit. What if you want to reduce opacity? That will be here in the layer section. Reduce opacity for the whole layer of the shadow. And here it is, we got more realistic like shadow on the floor. We could do the very same thing for the text. But with the text layer, in order to kind of make it flat, we need to right click on the text and we need to turn it into a regular shape. This way we'll get a full control and we can transform this down like this. Final touch will be to apply a format effect and blur. And that's how you can create shadows in Pixelmator Pro. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.